malapit na kami magkita guys. Importante na malapit na kami magkita. Imagine that for wow, many years, 1 year hindi kami nagkita. Last namin na pagkita is last year pa yun. Sa wakas ngayon magkikita na kami. Abangan po nyo po guys yung pagkikita namin ngayon. Miss na miss ko. Excited na ako sa kita. Excited na ako na makita siya. Medyo malapit na kami. Abangan nyo po yung pagkikita namin. For almost 1 year. I think mga 1 year sobra na po. Hindi po kami nagkita pero magkikita naman. Sana pagkikita namin ay simula ng mga mahaba pang pagbabago.
Every step we take, every road we choose, learning lessons, growing like a rose, through laughter and tears. We find our way, pursuing dreams, reaching for the day. From the peaks of joy to the depths of night, we find strength in shadows, we shine so bright. Each challenge faced, each victory won, building paths where we once felt none. Life's journey's sweet, life's journey's true. With every step we break through, from pain to gain, from fear to love. Life's journey's ours, no need to move. In the quiet moments we hear the call to embrace life, to live it all with open hearts. We walk this path.